This old world is slipping fast. How much longer can we last? Have we gone completely off our dome? With this modernistic stuff, I'm through, I've had enough. I'm so worried now that it hit home. Since making whoopee became all the rage, it's even gotten to the old bird cage. My canary has circles under his eyes. Instead of singing the prisoner's song, now he does snake hips the whole night long. My canary has circles under his eyes. His only friends are the yellow lark and the tiny sparrow. But I'm afraid when he's in the park, he's off the straight and narrow. Instead of getting his much needed rest,